to Real Maya channel. Today I am going to show you a different recipe, breakfast recipe. It is idli ingredients. So these are the leftover idlis, and I make into like these pieces because it is easy for me. I take a tray and just put it in the tray and steam it, and this will save my plates, washing plates always. And other than that, we need some spices. This is half spoon red chili powder and 3/4 spoon salt and pinch of turmeric, and this is jaggery, half spoon jaggery, and these are mustard seeds and cumin seeds, 1 spoon, and 1 spoon lentils. We need finely chopped onion. This is red onion, you can take any onion, and these are 2 green chillies chopped finely, and cilantro and oil. Add oil and let it heat, and I'm going to add lentils, mustards and cumin seeds, and I'm going to wait till they pop up. Mix them well. Till my mustard seeds pop up. I'm going to add all this: salt, red chili powder, jaggery and turmeric. Using my fingers, I'm just going to mix them. It's getting soft. Then I'm going to add cumin and cilantro, red chili, green chili, and some cilantro into this, and mix them well. Till then, I'm going to finish off powdering the idli. Onions become translucent. I'm going to add this mixture here. So idli are powdered with the mixing with some spices. Mix them well. My upma is ready. Looks good. I'm going to serve into bowl. Taste. It tastes too good. If you like this recipe, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel for new notifications. Until then, bye.